Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So nice to meet you. Please make sure to subscribe. I talk about everything as far as passive income, making money online, investing in the stock market. I do it all. Formerly, I'm a stock trader. I trade every single day, Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday I dabble in the crypto markets as well. I love to have a lot of fun with it. I have a decent lifestyle, so to speak. So my goal is to help you guys get out of that 9-to-5 job because it sucks, and you guys don't realize how much it sucks until you only have to work about 4 hours a day. And then the rest of the time, I can focus on losing weight. I can focus on going to Vegas. I can focus on seeing my family. All this more, this fun stuff that I like to do, I want you guys to be able to do it as well. And so if you guys like to have passive income, making money online, stock investing, options trading, or even just getting into real estate for the first time, I can help you out and teach you guys what you need to know to take that next step once you guys have the money you need to buy that house, or start off with your first $500 to start investing, maybe even less if you guys want to go down the Robinhood route. I'm here to help you guys out, so please subscribe to the channel, ask me anything you want, and I'm happy to help you guys out. Thanks everyone.